Yeah, welcome to this training. Now, on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to own a free VTU website of your own that you can start selling airtime data in Nigeria and begin to make passive income. I'm talking about making a whopping 120,000 naira every month. Now, this is a newbie and done for you system that enable you to start cashing out almost immediately. Now, most of my videos is centers on telecommunication business. The reason is because telecommunication business is one of the most trending business and the only business that can never go into saturation. Now, what you should know is that air is free, right? Then even the time we live on this world is free, but airtime is not free, right? So what I'm trying to say here is that if you can capitalize on this airtime business as like ability for you to build up a business that services the airtime industry. Trust in me, you will make a lot of substantial cash. Okay. Now, the major bone of contention here, which I usually get in most of my training videos, is that okay, Shadrach, what if I want to start this business? I want to add electricity. I want to add cable. I want to add this. My brother, my sister that is listening to me right now, the most trending product that you can be able to use to start this business is airtime and data. Okay. Now, statistics, we have a statistic record, not just like we're making, like I'm just like making a statement that I have not verified. The most trending product people go for, as what people buy in this business, is data subscription. Now, when you have a system that gives you that privilege to be able to do automation, when talking about automation, is that it will help you to start this business without even what you monitoring what is happening. Will you like that? Then if that is being the case, let us all learn through this video training I'm going to show you. Now, this is going to be a mind-blowing because most of us that have been watching our training, especially when we launch a done-for-you technical guide training that explains everything back to back on how to build a VTU system in Nigeria that will make you a lot of money. Most people always come to DM and say, okay, we watch through your videos, but one of the things that we learn from the video is that the prices you are setting up the solution is very high. Now we have let the cat loose, and the reason why we let the cat loose is that we have made money in the industry, and this is the time to give back to the society, right? So pay attention. Don't go and jump to this video and then hoping that you understand what Shadrach said in the video. And please don't come to our DM and begin to give us a kind of a bogus conversation. Okay, let's start where we stop. No, please. All the videos and all the whole trainings are all self-explanatory. You can easily verify each of them, even website demonstrations. When you're coming to WhatsApp, it should be like, okay, I want to make payment. Okay, so you just have to stay with this terms and condition, please. Now, going further, the platform that we're going to be using to, or better say, the platform that will enable you to actually watch on a free VTU website is called instantmobile.com.ng. Now, instantmobile.com.ng is the founding father of telecommunication business in Nigeria. When I talk about founding father, I'm talking about a platform that has started marketing the business far back 2010. Okay. Now, this platform has been there, and this platform is meant specifically to give you exposure or the trending packages that the what's called the business entails. Now, this is not Instant Mobile. At the moment of recording this training, is not a VTU website. It is like a say page kind of platform that will give you explanation of how everything goes. Now, one of the things that you should notice in Instant Mobile that is that whatever prices you see, even on this video, may be different. Okay, the prices of setting up this system solution may be different. But before I show you the prices or even how to get started, let's look at a typical VTU website and look at how it looks like. Now, those of you that are new to everything telecommunication business, what is a VTU website? A VTU website is a website that captures users' information, okay, and then present to them an opportunity to have an account. And when they sign up to an account, they will have their own what's called back office, or better say, a dedicated account where they can easily do airtime subscription, data, cable, electricity subscription on the go. Now, a typical example of a VTU website is datamobile.com.ng. Now, you may ask yourself, okay, Shadrach, if I pay you this amount of money, how does my website looks like? One of the things that we have built so far, I and my team have built so far, is that we have been able to train a sophisticated team of tech personnel that deploy VT website using sophisticated technology. So trust in me, you are going to get a brand and a premium VTU platform that give you peace of mind. Not all this hanky panky website that is not even optimized for SEO, or better still, it is not being developed properly. So you can look at datamobile.com.ng and see for yourself. We have a lot of classical designs that we interest you. And one thing we have been able to do as a team is that each website design is different. Okay, we start from everything. That's in the each that you never see two identical websites that were built for clients. Now, that to prove you that this is the right company to contract for your VTU business need. Now, look, this is just datamobile.com.ng. Okay, if you also go to VTU app, okay, VTU app is also a VTU website. You can see this is totally different from the previous one. Okay, so everything is highly optimized for SEO ranking and also for mobile adaptability. Responsiveness is the key to the everything. So we pay attention to aesthetic design, not just because we are paying a little amount of money. You may think that okay, I'm gonna get below average. Okay, moving further, you will also have to see the back end. How does the website look like and the user end look like? Okay, that's the most frequently asked question. Shedrack, I want to see how the back end will look like. So if you go to datamobile.com.ng and then sign up, okay? So when you sign up, it's free. It's free to join. Once you join, because you have to understand how your website looks like. What am I getting? Is it just I'm paying this amount? I don't even know what I'm paying for. Okay, so that's why we are taking time to explain some of the details. So you're gonna get your users is gonna enjoy a classic user interface design, just like what we are seeing here. So we are using a desktop, but you can use a mobile to access this and see how classy it looks like. Now, when you come here, users can do all these services. They can be able to do airtime data. Okay. Now pay attention because we're going to be taking you to the, as in what's it called, the packages right now. So remember, each package has different features that is attached to it. But the reason why we make it easy for everyone to get started is that let it not be that it is because of money that I didn't start this business. Okay, so because we have been getting a lot of notification after making that video that okay, the prices are very high, so we decided to slash everything to 99% price. Instead of paying huge amount of money, you pay nothing. Okay, let me show you that. If you go to instantmobile.com.ng, then click on pricing. You do see pricing here. If you are using your mobile, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So once you click on pricing, you'll be taken to the pricing section. So now there's a lot of packages here, but pay attention to where we're going so that I understand what I'm saying. Okay, we have introduced a new package at this year, which is called Affiliate VTU Partnership Portal. Now, people are not taking advantage of this package, but trust me, this package is top notch, guys. Now, exactly this package we get you started in VT technology. So when you pay for this package, what are you going to get? You're going to get a classic interface that looks like this. You're going to get a landing page that looks like this. So what else do you need in VT technology other than to get started? I remember I showed you in the beginning of this video that there's two major trending products that people always go for this business is what? Data and airtime, okay? These two products are the most demandable products. When I talk about data and airtime, we talk about on the data aspect, you make sure that the data has different multiple options for selecting, for purchasing from the user. Okay, it's not just like to have a data, and not only that, they will be able to vend the product on automation. Okay, so it's not like maybe today your product is available, tomorrow it is not available, or tomorrow is available, next tomorrow is not available. So this is the major thing that you should focus on. So having established that fact, now what is Affiliate VTU Partnership Portal? Now you can start your VTU journey today in Nigeria with our AVPP application and get your portal developed within 12 hours from now. So that time you spend on calling on phone or chatting, you should be able to request for payment and get your website done and dusted within 12 hours from now. That is the statement, because people always take it for granted. And when they come to WhatsApp, at time maybe 1 week to do inquiries. Maybe when you come to this page, the price of this may go to as high as 100 or 50 or maybe 500,000. You shouldn't ask, say, wow, I saw this video and then the price is like this. Mind you that we don't know you, don't know us, and we are setting up this price based on the interest of the public and the masses. We are not setting it specifically because we know you. So don't come and say, there was a time this package was like this. Grab it. That moment, which is this moment you are watching this video, is the best moment for you to get started. And the beauty of these packages, which we are actually presenting to you here, is that you will get this for within 12 hours. No any web agency has done that in the history of Nigeria and even beyond. I mean, I'm talking about getting for yourself a complete VTU website, a VTU website, a landing page website that explains everything about your business as like their VTU business. Everybody is going to know that, okay, this is a premium VTU website, and also an application that where they can actually interact and do recharges. That is mind blowing. You get this under 12 hours from now once you are going for any of the affiliate VTU partnership portal. Now, you can be able to recruit your customer on this website, okay? Customers in no time with your own brand. What does it mean by own brand? Remember, if you come to Data Mobile, I'm a teacher. I'm not like a lecturer, so I usually make myself if you see here, you see datamobile.com.ng, it is a brand, okay? So yours can be like NigeriaTelecomBusinessTV.com.ng. So it means that you are going to have your own custom domain based on this package, okay? Now, not only that, this package is best for what? For starters. And you can get a clean, sleek VTU design development without spending much, and you get it within 12 hours. Remember, we have made 2 emphasis on this time frame. Okay? Now, when this is not being delivered, you should be able to hold us responsible, right? So you are going to get a sleek design. A sleek. When I mean a sleek, is sophisticated design. There's a lot of countless display of designs we have in our portfolio. So you should not just think it's only these two. Okay. Now the same thing with the user end within this time frame. Okay. Now these are available packages. Now I know you will say, okay, Shadrach, but you say it's free, right? But then pay attention critically. You see that this is the first one, which is what AVPP 1. Currently, I say currently because most people watch this video maybe 2 or 3 years coming, or maybe 1 month, or even 1 day from now, and you see that this price is no longer the same. Don't come and say no, but I saw this price like this. Well, okay, when you saw the price like that, why didn't you buy it? That is a question that our team will throw back to you. So go grab this offer. Go to your bank app now once you request for payment and make your payment. So if you pay 17,500, you're going to get for yourself a .com.ng domain, a hosting, and also a VTU website of your own with a lot of features. Okay, but then this particular package is going to only sell airtime and data, okay, which is what we are talking about in this. But then this particular package will not be able to grant you to have auto banking. Only manual funding that is going to be included in this set of solution. So what it means is that people cannot pay using a virtual account. Okay, but if you are going for this particular package, the package which I'm going to show you right now, you are going to enjoy a virtual account. Okay, if you want to have a situation where people can pay using auto funding, then you should be able to go for what? This last package, which is AVPP3. Okay, so you can see it now. This particular package supports auto funding. Now you may ask yourself, what is auto funding? It's a situation whereby everybody that sign up, they can be able to have their own dedicated account number. When they make payment to that account, the system will automatically deliver the kind of send the fund to their accounts where they can use to do their research. And this package is for busy people that are busy, and then they really want to make the business to have 100% automated. Then go for this last package. But if you're a starter, go for this. Now you may ask us, okay, I've seen it. So why do you say it's free? Because I usually justify all my claim in my videos. Now pay attention. A .com domain name is sold for .com.ng domain now is sold at the moment of recording this training is sold for 10,000 naira. Now to get a good hosting account that will enable you to run a VTU website with a peace of mind goes for as little as 20,000 to as high as 100,000. But look at it this way: if you add up 10,000 naira plus maybe for a start for a hosting plan 20,000, how much is it? It's not 30,000, but they ask you to pay 17,500. So think about it. So you're actually getting this for complete free. I'm talking about just buying a hosting and domain. I'm not even talking about building, okay, development. No any video developer or web agency company out there that can charge this. In fact, this is a giveaway. Each of these packages from beginning to the end, okay? All this is a giveaway. If you really want to understand what I mean by giveaway, come down a little bit. You're able to see other packages. Even on this package, this first package here, which is 70K, is also a giveaway. Even this one, which you are seeing 350K, is also a giveaway. The way you see a development comes here, as like you talk about like pricing a VTU project, is from the one of 850K. But we know that most people are not financially buoyant. So consider this as a charitable offer to everybody that is a community fan in this community. So you should be able to plug into this opportunity, because let me tell you, why you subscribe to the channel, or maybe you are in this community because of this kind of unannounced offer that usually come out in the community. This is kind of be one of it. And remember, we don't fix prices based on maybe you make inquiries. We put prices based on we want to give back to the society. So don't go and say that, okay, this price is in this video when I watched it 3-5 months ago. Why didn't you go for it? Okay, so go now, scroll down and chat up support. Okay, you can see your support line. Once you click on this WhatsApp, you will be taken to WhatsApp to place your order, and you have to request for bank information. The language you should say is that I want to pay. Because most of the times people will come to WhatsApp and say, hey, how does this VTU website work? I want to start this video. You already have known the video. You have already watched the video. You have been trained back to back by you are even going to the website like Data Mobile. You have seen how it looks like. So you should be able to come to WhatsApp and say, okay, I am ready to pay. Give me account number. Because why we make descriptions and demonstration is for you to see how everything looks like. Don't come and begin to ask questions. Please explain what is a VTU website and all the rest. Okay, now for the benefit of that, we have also introduced a mind-blowing offer for people that want to go for the VTU script. So if you come to this place, which is you can see here, buy script. So you can see it now. Click on this buy script. So once you click on it, now what is different between a VTU done for you system and a VTU script? A VTU script is just like the piece of the software that runs the application. Now you want to get it in your own server. You are already hosting account. I really want to get started. Now we have subsidized everything. Okay, after making that video, people were asking us that, okay, the prices are very too high. So I make a very subsidized everything. So instead of paying for this for 20K, you are getting it at 10K. This is also UVS version 5. Instead of paying for 40K, you are getting it for 25K. Imagine that. They also have UVS version 6 5.6. Instead of paying 100K, you are getting it for 49,950 naira. So this is crazy, guys. It's totally crazy. It's unacceptable, right? Okay, now this is also UVS 6.5. Instead of paying 150K, you are getting it at 95,000. Okay, now this is UVS 7.5, which is the latest version. Instead of paying 350, you are paying 250,000. That is a special offer on this UVS 7.5. What is the special offer? We are giving you a hosting account. Okay, each of these packages have the detailed description of what they are doing, what they can do and what they cannot do. So all you have to do is to click on them to see their features. But this one of the greatest features on this latest VVS application is that it comes with its own hosting. So it means that this amount you are paying, you are not budgeting for hosting again. You are not budgeting for domain. Everything is inclusive of it. Remember, it is a limited offer. Okay, so you can see it right away. You can see in this place, you see that there is a cPanel domain and hosting. Okay, why others does not have it. So if you are interested to get the script, or better still want to go for the done for you services, this is a better time for you to get started. Remember, this offer is not going to last. Okay, don't use this video as a ransom when it comes to maybe 20 years to come. I say 20 years because many people are very funny. They will come and say, okay, sir, I watched their video. When you watch it, why didn't you pay that time? So go to WhatsApp right now and DM admin to me. And then the VTU business is going crazy this time around. People are making 6 figures every day on this business. Imagine making over 4K every day. Now, if you are joining our community group, which of course, if you click on this place, you have to join a community group where we're going to teach you how to make over 120K a day using a VTU application. Even if you are going for the starter packages, you're able to make this amount. So join the community right away. Join now and then request for your payment, get your website done and dusted within 12 hours from now, and then get started right away. That's the secret ways you are able to learn how to make this business work for you. We cannot be able to cover it in most of these broadcasts, but then once you are having a business a relationship with us by a kind of making payments to get any of this solution, trust in me, we're going to expose you on how to make 6 figures on using these strategies. We already have been doing that for our clients. We have been teaching them how to do that over and over again. Most of them are making 6 figures. Even us, we make so many broadcasts, even on the community, where I'm going to tell you how to make this amount of money. You have to see where we are going to give you screenshots, proof, and statistics that this business is paying. So if you're able to focus more on marketing, in especially, we are going for the highest package, which is this that will give you automation in this category. Okay, if you are going for this, it's going to give you a part of automation. Okay, so now if you're also going for any of these, they are all 100% on automation. So this is for busy people, people that are civil servants, you really want to what do a done for you system and forget about everything, and then the system is making money for you on 24-hour basis. Then go for VTU bulk order. Okay, but if you're a starter that want to just test how everything works out, then go for affiliate VTU partnership portal. I'm my host, Mr. Shirag. I'm going to see in the very next video. Use the link to the video to sign to get access to any of these products and get started right away.